With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, we will be solving the question that says some amount of 20 VH2O2 is mixed with excess of acidified solution of Ki. The iodine so liberated required 200 ml of 0.1 normality Na2S2O3 for titration. Now we have to find out the mass of K2Cr2O7 needed to oxidize the above volume of H2O2. So here this question is about the equivalent mass or equivalent weight of several compounds. So let's begin. Here it is given to us now strength of H2O2. We all know that strength of H2O2 here will be equals to the equivalent mass of H2O2, that is 5.6 multiplied by normality of H2O2. Here strength of H2O2 given to us is 20, which will be equal to 5.6 multiplied by normality. Okay, so from this the answer for normality will be something around 3.57. Next, now we know the equivalent for H2O2 here is equals to the equivalent of Ki will be equals to equivalent for Na2S2O3, and fourthly the equivalent of K2Cr2O7. All four compounds will have same equivalence here. Now firstly we will calculate for H2O2. That will be for H2O2 it will be N1V1 equals to N2V2. That is N1 we calculated, that is 3.757 multiplied by V1. N2 will be given in question, that is 0.1, and volume that will be 200 ml. Okay, when we calculate here V1 will be, the answer for V1 will be 5.6 ml. Now this same thing we are going to calculate the same thing for K2Cr2O7 also. Here N1V1 will be equals to N2V2. N1 will be here again 3.57. V1 we calculated is 5.6. N2 will be that we have to find out the equivalent mass. Okay, so N2 will be, we will found it as X, and V2 will be 20, that is given in question. When we will calculate this, the amount of X or the mass of K2Cr2O7 or equivalent mass of K2Cr2O7 needed for the oxidation of above volume of H2O2 will be, we will get is 0.99 grams. This could be round figured and we can say it as fourth option, 0.98 grams. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching this video.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.